was started in 1984 by me and Mr. Kelkar in a garage, and we are now a global company with operations in China, subsidiaries in China and US, and channel partners everywhere in the world. So the journey started to make the machines which were kind of import substitutes. They were not made in India before. And we have been successful in making these the kind of metal finishing, deburring and micro finishing machines. So I think we can tell you about the China story. Yes, we know.
We ventured into China in the year 2009, and we made a small beginning with one famous company in China who is famous for batteries, the BYD Motor Company. And from there on, after the first success, we moved on with bigger companies like General Motors. We sold our first machine to General Motors in 2010. After that, General Motors has not bought any machine from any other source. So we sold as many as 16 machines to them and still have several further requirements, and we work very hard for them because every company has a different working culture and different standards of safety, different standards of machine build, and it is for us, to understand this and then tailor our efforts in machine building in that direction. So that's why we have been able to put together a very strong team, and which is able to deliver results everywhere in the globe, including China, Japan, Germany, USA, as well as countries of Southeast Asia.
Yeah. So in continuation with this, we are very proud to say that we are the only non-Japanese company having installed machines in auto OEMs like Nissan in Japan and Mazda in Japan. So these lines have grindmaster, super finishing, micro finishing machines for finishing cranks and cams. We are doing lot of process research work for other Japanese and worldwide some German companies for achieving the finishes. So what we say is any finish that you want in the world can be done by us. And we have the process research capability to achieve such finishes.
So, what is the new innovation that you are showcasing in your tech?
Okay, so the new innovations are, some of these are robotic deburring and fettling of castings in the foundry. We have indeed developed the right solutions for castings from small castings from 10 kg weight to 6 ton castings in white iron material in the mining industry. Many of these machines are exported. Now structural castings of EV are made in aluminium and they are very difficult to do manually. So we did a project for a leading company in Denmark in Mexico to make such castings. We delivered a solution, a robotic machine for deflashing and fettling of such castings. Our area is also deburring, so we do precision deburring. What I told you is a casting fettling, which is a coarse process, whereas precision deburring creates a very fine radius on the edges, and we have done such machines for companies in USA. And I think Mr. Kelkar can talk about the new application of hydraulic cylinder.
Two major things that we did in the last 1 year. One was the completion of the development of a ball screw micro finishing machine. So hitherto this was a forte of a few German companies, and those also used to work with what are known as honing stones. We totally developed a new process for that, patented that in several countries, and then sold the first machine unbelievably in Taiwan. Because Taiwan, as you know, is the biggest supplier of machine tools, and we sell machines back into Taiwan. The other breakthrough we had in the last couple of years was the finishing of hydraulic pistons on a very large scale. So, leading global manufacturers out of China, then they put their trust in us. And not, we sold about 20 machines in China, and now these companies who are putting up their plants in Mexico, they have also trusted us with supplying goods which will lead them to quality as well as economics.
So what are the new sectors that you're working in? We all know that printing is a very now.
Hearing.
So now
So you
also looking at other sectors.
absolutely, if you we can walk to the poster and you can see that we are into construction and mining sector. I told you the castings now, that big castings, they are from the mining sector. And what Mr. Kelkar said, hydraulic pistons, they are from the construction equipment like JCB, Caterpillar. They need these kind of long piston rods and high pressure hydraulic. So it requires a good finishing. So petting of castings, then we did deburring of very large gear for windmill energy application. Then we have textile machinery applications where we did lot of the rollers used in textile machinery like gorded, cladded rolls. They are all finished on our booth. Then there is a fluted roller in textile which requires a very fine deburring. So here again we worked on the process. I'm once again saying this because this is our strength and this is kind of little drawback with many other companies that they don't look at the process very seriously. We are absolutely hard working on the process. So process research has been the key strength of Grindmaster. And that is what has led to successful developments in other sectors, other non-automotive sectors that we are already in.
So what do you think is the shape of this considering that we have a lot of challenges in that? How is Grindmaster working all the time?
Okay.
We are future ready, and for example, we sensed that the IC engine is slowly going to be phased out. So, almost 6 years back, we started focusing on non-IC engine parts, and that is what has led us in so much research in robotics and going into wide industries like mining, for which we had no entry in the past. We didn't even know that such industries existed and that they needed high-tech solutions. But once we got there, we are able to reduce our dependence on the IC engine industry and make it more equitable and future ready.
So our industry, the manufacturing industry is undergoing a lot of rapid application of technology and technology advancements. So what are the steps taken by Grandmaster to stay in line with all of the process?
Yeah. See, for example, we have done Industry 4.0 long time back. Our machines in Japan were, commissioned online without physically going there. And that is all possible because of the cloud IoT and Industry 4.0 features which are inbuilt into the machine. Number one. Number two, we have to make our machines more flexible. So, for example, the robotic technique solution is a flexible solution. It can be tailored to suit another type of castings much more easily as compared to a rigid machine which is designed for specific parts. So flexibility in the machine is important. The quick setup change of the tool is important, so that customer is able to run a variety of parts on the same machine. So these are the new trends which we are fulfilling by building machines to suit that. Let me cite an example. There is a company making steering parts in Germany. They had very specific requirements for finishing the steering rack parts, and their volume production was very high. So we have to engineer the machine to suit that level of production by designing the systems, the automation in such a way that it fulfills the demand. I think Master was always focusing on the customized solution rather than giving a standard ready-made machine which is there. So this is what has been our strength now, particularly in exports. I do believe that we are getting export orders because of our ability to make customized machines. So the exact customer demand.